Hi, my name is Cindy. I'm a physical therapist with Adaptive Equipment Corner. We would like to welcome you to the Caregiver Series. Caregivers, we know you're out there and we know your jobs are not easy. This Caregiver Series is going to be a continuously expanding series to be used as a resource to assist you in caring for others as well as taking care of yourself in the process. The theme of this series is Take Care to Care, to remind you that you must take care of yourself in order to care for others. This series is divided into 3 different levels of care: the green level, the yellow level, and the red level. The green level indicates that the caregiver will provide anywhere from verbal to tactile cues up to 25% of the effort that it takes to complete the activity, or up to minimum assistance. The yellow level indicates that the caregiver will provide anywhere from 25 to 50% of the effort that it takes to complete the activity, or minimum to moderate assistance. The red level indicates that the caregiver will provide anywhere from 50 to 75% of the effort that it takes to complete the activity, or from moderate to maximum assistance. Now, of course, we want you to be very cautious in all levels of caregiving, but especially on the red level, we want you to consider additional help as well as the use of an appropriate piece of equipment to complete the task in order to protect your client, your loved one, as well as yourself. Be sure to check out the handy tools and resource tabs on the dashboard for additional information, and we would love to hear from you. So click the contact link below and email us your comments and questions. Also in this area, please indicate if you would like to be added to our email list so that we can update you when we add further information to our site. As a reminder, this series is to be used as an additional resource, so please be sure to consult with your local physical therapist, occupational therapist, and/or primary care physician on the needs for your specific situation.